Modulation involves a phase shift keying. Prominently, there is a binary phase shift keying BPSK and a quadrature phase shift keying which is QPSK. In binary phase shift keying, two carrier phase shifts are selected and one bit is modulated at a time. While quadrature phase shift keying modulator selects one of the four carrier phase shifts like 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 270 degrees, and two bits are modulated at once. Hence, in quadrature phase shift keying modulation, it allows for the signal to carry twice as much information as the ordinary phase shift keying using the same bandwidth. So the data rate is increased and there are possible 4 shifts, while in the binary phase shift keying there are only possible 2 phase shifts. Simply stated, sampling data is a decimation technique used for reducing data rate between sonar head and the processor, so reducing the processing requirement per ping. This sample rate also determines the range resolution of the sonar. To put it in perspective, let's consider a sound speed of 1500 meters with a 34 kHz sampling. For the smallest possible range, the range resolution will be 22 millimeters. Apart from range resolution, we have a depth resolution or a bottom detection resolution. Reson 7125 further subsamples this range resolution by factor of 4 to attain its depth resolution. Carrying forward the earlier example where we got the range resolution of 22 millimeters, the depth resolution would be a further subsample by a factor of 4, and that will be 6 millimeters. Usually it is the range resolution that is of our interest. Also consider the fact that the resolution mentioned is of the nadir itself. Among the other system limitations is a multiplexer, or what we usually called as a MUX. It basically subsamples the signals to transmit multiple data simultaneously. As in case of multi-beam systems, it may be motion data, velocity or position. Sometimes in the ROV systems, while setting it up for the survey, it is the MUX that is the bottleneck. So for a surveyor or a survey tech, one has to be considerate with it. I hope it was interesting and a bit informative too. Feel free to post your comments. Take care. We'll see you around.